Zhuhai Shuangye Electronic Technology Company Limited, established in 2010 year, is a professional manufacturer of electric bike, e-bike kits, and e-bike batteries. We are located in beautiful coastal city, Zhuhai, China, close to Zhuhai Airport, and distance is only 5 km, 1 hour to HK, Macau, and Shenzhen. Employs professional technical and production design staff, with advanced production line, precise processing workshop, welding workshop, assembly workshop, and the improved e-bike testing equipment. Provide reliable quality guarantee and thoughtful service to customers. We dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including automatic production line, battery capacity testing equipment. In addition, we have obtained CE, EN 15194, UN 38.3 certificates. Additionally, our market divided into domestic and overseas, exporting more than 10,000 pieces electric bike to Europe, South and North America, and Southeast Asia yearly. OEM and ODM orders are supported in Shuangye Company. Customers' inquiries will be replied within 24 hours. Shuangye pursue to offer partners reliable quality, competitive price, quick feedback. Faith of company is survive with high quality and develop with credibility. High technology improve people's life and good service to customer. Sincerely welcome customers from all over the world to join us.
Hello, welcome to Sanye. We are professional manufacturer of e-bikes, e-bike kits, and e-bike battery. Your reliable supply of competitive price, warranty quality, and warm service. Thanks for your support and kind cooperation.